YMCA bike contest. Give me a thumbs up if you worked really hard on a bike essay last week. I see all of those thumbs up. You worked really, really hard on that bike essay last week. So we are here today to give away 2 bikes right here in the front of the stage. And you also get something that's really important, a helmet. So if you win this bike today, you need to make sure that you're wearing your helmet for safety reasons at all times when you're on our bikes. Okay, friends? Congratulations, Kyrie from Mrs. Young's class. Come on, Kyrie. You are the winner of our first bike. Do you want to stand right next to it? And we're going to take a couple of pictures with you, okay? You can stand right here. And there's going to be a couple of pictures. You want to stand on this side? Come on over, Kyrie. And look at Mr. Smith. And we have a couple of photographers in the back. Say cheese, cheese. Congratulations, Julian Garcia from Mrs. Marcus's class. Congratulations, Julian. Go ahead and turn around. I'm gonna actually take your hood off and then can you remove that cap for me? And I'll hold it for you. And then you're gonna take some pictures, friend.
I just wanna say, again, I'm Alvaro Rodriguez with the YMCA. I just wanna say thank you for all of you for working so hard on your essays. And do you think we should get one more bike? Yeah. We do one more? Yeah. We do one more? I can hear you. One more bike? Yeah. One more bike. One more bike. One more bike. One more bike. You know what? You guys have worked so hard on your essays that everybody gets a bike.
I just want to say congratulations to all of you. You guys all participated. You put thought work into this, and you guys are going to have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. The YMCA is so proud to be a part of this. We appreciate Dr. Sue, her support, and her leadership. and certainly everybody that's been involved. So congratulations and enjoy your bikes.